We begin right now with video from Fells Point earlier this morning. You can see we had that coastal flood warning plus 2 inches of rainfall. You can see that flooding here on top of the road. Of course, a lot of cars driving through it, although they shouldn't be. But this was not the only video that we had of flooding downtown today. You got to be so careful. This area is very prone to flooding, especially when we get these heavy bands of rain. The good news, though, we are drying out. So now the rain is now shifting on out of here. And as we head into tomorrow, it will be cooler. I know it was very mild today, but we are going to be dealing with the wind full throttle with gusts up to about 45 heading into your Halloween. In fact, we have newly issued wind advisories until about 5 o'clock tomorrow evening because of just how gusty it'll be. There's that system. So all the rain is now up to the north. But you'll notice that we get these tight white lines. When these get very close together, that means it's about to get very windy. And in fact, Friday will be windier than today because look at the packing of those lines as they get super close together for Friday. And by Saturday, we're still looking at a gusty day. So how windy tomorrow? If you're closer to the Chesapeake, we're looking at gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. But then as we head towards Friday night, which would be Halloween, I'll stop it right here at 6 o'clock as you're trick-or-treating. Winds still up to about 30 miles per hour, so very blustery heading into tomorrow. Hour by hour, it'll be windiest in the afternoon. 8 o'clock, gusts, look at that, near 40 miles per hour. The good news, though, we dry things out as we head into tonight. We clear things out heading into tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the upper end of the 50s. But the sunshine is back, so we don't have to worry about that heavy rain tomorrow like what we dealt with today. Now, as we talk about tomorrow evening, we're looking at clear skies. If you're going to be out there trick-or-treating, let's go back to that. We're going to start things off here around 56 degrees and then eventually dropping down to 49 as we head towards 9 o'clock in the evening. So it's dry, but again, very windy heading into tomorrow. The 7-day forecast. Another reminder, we fall back. The clocks go back 1 hour Saturday night, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're not tracking any big storms. Temperatures will be in the low 60s as we go into the start of November.